Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we'll be continue discussing our session in programming. This might be the last, no? So hang on, please. So we'll be discussing key components of IDE, Integrated Development Environment, use of IDE, test plan reference to use, requirements, expected results, and results. No? So before that, what is an IDE? This is an IDE. IDE is a integrated development environment in here. When you click File New, it will become like a blank screen. And then you type your command here. And then after finishing the command, you're going to run. There's a run here or compile automatically. So this is how when your program is running, like this one, available memory, warning error. If error is zero, that means the program is complete now. So this is, for example, your main program. Example only. It goes to be like this one. Okay, that is an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So key components of IDE. So we have software application that provides developers with tools to write, test, and debug code in one environment. This is one environment. You see everything here. For example, this is your small program that does nothing. Okay? Example only. We have include IO. That means your IO here. So another IO here. So then you have main, and then open and close. Uh, Open and close now. That is a C++. So component web source code editor. This is a source code editor. And then, so these are the text actually, the program. Then compile interpreter, it has a compiler here. When you click this one, it will going to compile. Then it has a debugger, this one. Have you seen debugger? Debug? Because when the program there's an error, when you run debug, it shows the error and then you correct. Maybe typos, wrong spelling, wrong command, no period, wrong sentence, like this one. It's debugger. Then build automation tools. Actually, that's run. No? In here, there's run. In some IDE, there's a build. There's the word build. And then GUI. This is the graphical user interface. Okay, so that's the IDE. Use of IDE, software development, writing application in languages like Java, Python, C++. So when you run a program here, no? This is the environment. You're going to run the program. Web development. By the way, Java has its own IDE, Python the same, C++, no? Here, C++ IDE. Okay, debugging, web development also. There's a like that one CSS JavaScript, no? With live preview. Okay? So, common in building program, there must be an ID. Then, debugging, no? Finding logic. If there's a wrong command, that syntax error, it will show here. The error may be 2. That means there's an error. Example, PyCharm is another for Python programming, offering automatic code formatting and error detection. Eclipse supports Java development, plugins for Android and enterprise. These are the IDE. For C++, we have Turbo C or Borland. These are the old ones. Then test plan reference user requirements. So for now, so we have test case requirements, user slug, expected result, and the result. So these are the different languages. They have their own test plan. Okay, so just to show you, application QA testing during software development cycles. We're going to check it the test plan. How did you test the program? Validation that the software meets client functionality. That means if the program is doing the formatting, it should format. If the program is doing checking, it should be checked. So that's validation. QA testing and validation. Usually combined. So summary of benefits. So IDE features integrated debugger. This is the there's a integrated debugger. Reduce bugs fix because here, if there's an error, it will go into color. It will stop with the error. For example, these are some of the tools now. I just showed it to you about that. There are more. Auto completion, speed up development, GUI design tools, in some advanced built-in testing, ensures quality test cases. No? So that's about integrated development. No? So we have covered the IDE is the most important thing in running in developing a program. Or you can write actually you can write without IDE, but very difficult. But with IDE, very easy to write a program because there is an error compile you run, you search edit, project options, and then method. These are the tools actually to make the development program easier. Every languages, Java, Python, they have their own. This one I show you is Turbo C, TC.xl. Turbo C is one of the famous during the 80s. No? It's very famous. But still, this one is running. Okay, so if you have some question, so you can ask me. Okay, thank you for having me. So next meeting we'll have a new topic. So bye bye for now. Okay.